Everyone, welcome you all with this new video on the topic subject and verb chart. So basically this video will tell you that what verb you have to use with a certain subject. As we have different verb forms, we have to be verbs, helping verbs and main verbs. And we often get confused that which main verb we have to use with a certain subject. So I'm gonna show you some charts which would help you. So let's start. So pay attention here. When you use present tense, in present tense, the to be verbs which are used, which make the subject verb agreement, those are: if your subject is I, you will use am with it, which is singular. And for plural, we will use are with we, that is for first person. For second person, we have only one subject, that is you, and we use are with it. You are for singular as well as for plural. In third person, we have he, she, it, and they. So, for singular, with he, she, and it, we will use is. And for the plural, we have they, and with they, we will use are. Now, if we have to use to be verbs in past tense, so with first person singular, we will use was. Subject is I here. I was. And for plural, we were. In past tense, for to be verbs, we have only two helping verbs, was and were. Was is for singular, for one person, and were is for plural, for more than one. So let's move forward. For second person, we will use were. As we have only you here, so we will use were for singular as well as for plural. Then for third person, we have he, she, it subjects in singular category, and we will use was for all singulars, and for plural we have they, and with they we will use were. Now we will talk about main verb, where the subject and verb must agree with each other. So subjects are same, which are pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it, and they. So I is singular, so we will use first form of the verb I sing. For plural, we sing. With you, we will use again you sing, and this would be same for plural also, you sing. But now the change is in third person pronoun. When our subjects is he, she, or it, that time we have to remember that we have to add s or es in the main verb. So it would be he sings, she sings, it sings. Whereas in the same third person category, if our subject is they, we will use sing only. We will not use s or es in the main verb. So this was a chart that showed us how to use to be verbs and main verbs. Now one more important chart is there, where many students as well as learned people, they make mistake. So this is about use of has and have. So with the subjects of first person pronoun I and we always use have. I have, we have, I have watched the video, we have watched the video. Now for second person we have you, and with you also we use have. You have watched the video. Now for third person we have he, she, it and they. So with singulars, he, she, it, we will use has. He has, she has, it has. But with they, which is also from the third person pronoun, we will use have, because this we use for plural. Now, how we use have and has with singular and plural noun, so that category is also given there. Singular noun Raj, only single person is there, one person. Raj has. Now plural Raj and Ria. Now we have two persons here. It became plural. Raj and Ria have. I can give you few more examples for showing examples of now singular noun and plural noun. So that could be a girl has, a boy has, the child has. Whereas when I would make the subject plural, girls have, boys have, children have. So you have to pay attention here and use these accordingly. So I'm sure you understood these verbs, how to use them to make proper subject verb agreement. Thank you very much.